Hello guys, I'm back. This one's gonna be a Dutch pour with only white and then Deco Art Metallics Gunmetal and my Folk Art Metallic Sterling Silver, what I have left of it. There's the gunmetal. And if you can see, these are very, very thin. So, hopefully you're catching all this. The last video I done was a disaster to me. So, I may or may not put it up. We'll see. But anyway, let's go ahead and get to this because I'm really excited about this one. I can't wait to see how this is going to turn out. All right, let's see. I kind of want to go up like that, I think. Yeah. What do I want to start with first? Something like that. More along that line. You can see my paint is some of my paint is sinking. Wow, that was just a little too much there. You can already see the black, some black in it. And draw this around. I just kind of want to drizzle snizzle in there. Come on. Well, maybe I shouldn't even do a drizzle snizzle in there. Okay, guys. Now let's see on low how this one's going to turn out. I really feel like I need a little bit more something over here because it's just sinking in. Maybe I should do a little drizzle black. Just a little drizzle of black. Maybe just a little more drizzle of black. Make it look not so uniform. Kind of whatever you want to do here. Just playing around with the paint. Okay. Let's see. Here we go. We'll do it on low, guys. Okay, wow, so far interesting. Look at them cells popping up. That's one thing that I did not do last time. And like I said, I don't know that I can put it up. It's one of those what to do, what not to do. But here we go. Let's see how this turned out. I cannot wait. So, enough talking. Let's get to blowing the paint. Okay, that is very interesting. I do have a lot of paint on there. That's why I kind of kicked it off over there. Certain areas, it's just a lot of paint. And I'm a little worried about what might happen. The crazing that possibly could happen due to the fact that I have a lot of paint on there. What in the world is that? Something touched it. Okay, let's see here. Okay. Kind of like something's going on over here and right here, and I'm loving this right here. I am. This is cool. Something's a little off to me. Okay. Do have a big straw somewhere. It does work a lot better than the thin straws. Let's see if I can find it. Little there. Right underneath my nose, folks. Right underneath my nose. Let's see here. I don't know. I'm afraid if I blow anything, I'm going to mess it up. Just a little worried about this back piece here, because like I said, there's a lot of paint on there. Let me torch it and see what happens. Maybe I should just leave it alone, because I know I will hear it if I don't leave it alone and I mess it up. Like I said, I had to blow that other little bit because there was just way too much paint on there. Wow. I'm really loving this. I need to sit down and make my oopsie noise in the chair. Oops. Excuse me. Okay, let's see. It's looking good on the side. I kind of wanted to shoo that out a little bit, so it would be a little more, I don't know. Adds a nice little bit of contrast over there. I may just leave it just like that. Yeah. Now let's hope it stays that way. All right. Let me pop off my gloves and get you down to take a look. I had to have my gloves. This black is awful. And I realized that I have a metallic blue that's even worse to get off your hands than the black. So let me pop you off here. Hold on a minute. Okay. That was the little piece down here. I was wondering if I wanted to blow it out, but look at those cells. That is awesome. Look. I love these colors together. I really, really do. Really do. Look at that. And that gunmetal with the silver really makes it look like blue, actually. Like a lighter blue. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Look. I know you're looking. Look at the little cells and stuff. And no, I do not use silicone. The little blue in the middle of all that white. And I don't think you can see the metallics right now. I even have the light glaring in my eyes when I do that. Either way, I will be back and show you the dried result. And if I decide to fiddle with this, is too square up here on the corner. So I may fiddle with that. But other than that, I'll bring you back in when it's dry, show you what it looks like when it's dry. See, tripping over my tongue. I've been gone too long, guys. See you soon. Hope you guys stuck around to see this extra at the end. I grabbed another 8x10 canvas because I just love these colors so much. And you'll see it's a little dark. I started to fiddle. It looks great. And stick around. I will show you the dried result at the end. Enjoy. Guys, I wanted to come back and show you guys the dried results of both of these canvases. And I did fiddle a little bit with the top. I think I fiddled down here too a little bit, but I know I fiddled with that rectangle up there. I don't know if I can come down and get close enough where you can see the I don't know if you can see the metallics in it, and it's not varnished or anything yet, and it will make them pop out when it does. So, well, there you go, guys, both canvases. I will be back. Stay safe, and we'll see you soon.